Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Hotmail backup email. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to the Outlook login page and sign into your account. After signing in successfully, you'll be redirected to your Outlook mailbox. From here, locate and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select My Microsoft Account. This will open your Microsoft Account dashboard, the main hub where you can manage and update your personal and security information. Once inside, click on Your Info from the top menu. It's important to make sure this information is current since it includes your essential account details. Next, scroll down to Account Info tab and proceed to the Edit Account Info section. Periodically reviewing this section helps ensure your account remains secure and prevents unauthorized access. Now, it's time to update your backup email. Click on Add Email. This option allows you to add a new or change secondary email address to your account. You'll be directed to the Add Security Info area, where you should select Email as your preferred option. Enter your new backup email address, making sure it's one you use frequently and that it's secure. Once entered, follow any verification steps Microsoft provides, such as entering a code sent to the new email. And that's it. So that is how you can change Hotmail backup email. So that's all for this video. Thanks.